Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to take a look at a very interesting product which I got for myself from code 118. This is not a paid promotion. I bought this product on my own. It's a smart wallet, so I thought it would be a good idea to share my opinion and the usage. So let's unbox it and see what all we have. So the wallet comes in a small smart package. Once you open it up, you will find few items inside it. There is a like a pretty high quality stretchable rubber band within kind of carbon fiber kind of a clip on it, which stretches and it goes all around the wallet. This is the wallet itself, which is a really amazing quality, made out of metal. And this is the bottom part. There's some branding on the right side, and the left side is plain, and your cards fit in right inside it. They have really nice colors to choose from when you go to the website, and you just like push the button down and all your cards just come out like this, which is pretty convenient to use. At a time you can put around 7 to 8 cards in the wallet inside, and then you can add this strip around it, and then it helps you holding up a couple of more cards or the cash if you want to keep it cash outside. So let me put up the band and show it to you. So the band goes all around it. It holds the cards, or if you have some money, pretty tightly. So it's a pretty good quality band, and does the job. I think I can add up another 2 to 3 more cards on this side. It can stretch and it can hold them pretty easily. Also along with it, I ordered one more accessory, which is leather casing. It's a pretty good quality leather case, which has a pocket in the back, a pocket in the front, and then the wallet goes inside here. It slides in, so it basically protects the surface of the wallet from scratches and give it a very nice and a premium feel. Along with it, it keeps the wallet to be at a minimal size, so it does not add a bulk to it. So let me put this and show it to you. So you just slide on the sleeve and it holds the wallet inside it pretty nicely, pretty comfortable to hold, and gives an extra textured grip so that it does not slip out of your hand. And as I said, the additional pockets you can use to add up some more cash on the card, and you can also use the band to go on top of this and can have some more space to hold your cards. So overall, pretty nice product. I will recommend if you really want to have a thin wallet. If you're tired of your old traditional wallet, give it a try. It's pretty nice, pretty easy to use, and pretty futuristic.